in 2012. There is a song contest in Europe, Eurovision. Maybe you heard about it. So we were first champion. So next year it happened here in Azerbaijan. That in 1 year we built that big concert hall. So from your hotel you can come this far by walking. It's all Baku Boulevard area. Here you can see some restaurants on the left side. This is it's called Water Games, and there is a stadium. There is a pool, very big one, swimming pool. And here we are. Left, you can see go-karting.
এইটো এটা বিৰাট ডাঙৰ চুইমিং পুল এটা আছে ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত। ৱাটাৰ পাৰ্ক টাইপৰ এই বিল্ডিংটো।
Okay, let's go.
এতিয়া আমি এই গো কাৰ্টিং যিটো গাড়ী এতিয়া তাৰ ভিতৰত সোমাম গৈ। গাড়ী চলাই। হা চলিয়ে।